The Endurance Challenge is down to 6 teams. The winners of this round will take the next step in the Endurance Challenge. The first team to plant all 4 flags wins the game and moves on towards the Endurance Championship. This last competition is based on how people have marked some of the world's greatest accomplishments by planting a flag. For example, explorers did it upon first reaching the South Pole, the top of Mount Everest, and the moon. Teammates will be connected by this giant pulley system. The player on the ground will have to run across the sand to lift his or her partner up to each flag. Then the handoff, and the player must run over there to plant it. The first team to plant all 4 flags first wins the game and the Endurance Championship. We'll track the time it takes and the number of flags each team plants during the competition. Blue, 2. Yellow team, 4. Orange, 1. Green, 2. Purple, 3. Red, 1. And the winner is yellow.
That's it. Game over.
Now we can display the data from this final competition in different ways, using graphs. We're tracking time and the number of flags planted. We'll use a bar graph to look at results just for the winning team, yellow, and the runner-up, purple. The purple bar shows their 3 flags, and the yellow bar shows their 4 flags. If you want to see how the team's performances compared for each flag, we can use a double bar graph to show the amount of time it took for each team to plant each flag. We list times, increasing from bottom to top on the y-axis. And we put the flags, 1 through 4, along the x-axis on the bottom. At each of these places, we place a bar showing the time for the yellow team next to the time for the purple team. You can see how the teams compared on each flag. The detail in this second graph shows that the purple team lost because of overall worse performance on all the flags, rather than, or because of, worse performance on 1 or 2 of the flags. Now suppose the yellow team wants to know what proportion of their time they spent planting each flag. We can display the data with a pie chart, also called a circle graph. The circle graph shows that most of the time was spent planting flag 4. By then, they were so far ahead that they may have realized they could afford the time. The fastest plant was flag 3, less than 1/4 the time, the one we saw from the double bar graph that got them way ahead. What you want to say about your data determines the way you display it. Congratulations to all.